Hello everybody and welcome to the GRANGE CC Headteacher Assembly for year 3 and 4. It's the week of the 1st of February 2021, the last week of the half term spring 1 2021. Really proud of all of you. We know what the GRANGE CC Way is. Want everybody to have a great caring attitude, to really care, to be trying their best, to be always learning, especially from our mistakes, be going for improvement and progress. We're not so concerned about what other people are doing around us, but we just want to get better and better in ourselves, to be the best that we can be, and to use everything we learn to help us to make great choices as we go along in life. And we want to never give up because we are CC learners, and we know that character strength, the strength inside yourself to be the best that you can be, and it helps you to solve any problems, to deal with any problems that you've got. When you have a problem, when you're faced with a choice, you say, which character strength am I going to use so that I make a great choice for me? Confidence. And a great choice for all those around me as well. Consideration. That's the GRANGE CC Way. Confidence and consideration. It's philosophy for life. Here are our gold stars of the week. Bouncing in is Louisa and Aaron and Sammy AM. And we have got Nehara and Khalif and Yaqub. And who've we got? Leland, well done. Sophia, David, Eric, and Katzper. And there's some more. There's Aisha, there's Maria A, and there's Joshua. Well done, everybody. Grange House of Water, 4,621 points. Olivia, Aini, Sammy, Maya, Ryan, Hodan, Shahad, Karunyan, Deja, Amar, Delia, Atif, Bassett, Joseph, Khalif, Samina, Amy, Irfan, Louisa, Natalia, Alex, Alana with 96 points, Ashvini flying in with 102, Yusuf M flying in, Dennis B 128 points, Zachariah 129 points, and look at this, Dima with the Swivel this week with 173 points. Grange House of Fire, 4,462 points, Joshua, Adam, Jory, Yusuf, Ramanullah, Roel, Maria, Eric, Tiago, Rocky-san, Yasmin, Ishan, Sebastian, Hasunat, Pasha, Yaqub, Abdi Rahman, Avi, Kamani, Faiza, Dana, Rihan, Vienna, Nia, Ammar, Daim, Sarah, Dolly, Aaron, Jalal, Ananga, Branshika, flying in is Leo, Gala, Laurentio, and the Swivel goes to Jeshwin with 152 points from C-Cole class. Well done, Jeshwin. And Grange House of Air, 4,670 points. Diana, Adrian, Hasti, Yassin, Walid, Fahad, Hasnain, Adna, Yaksh, Ibrahim, Uzair, Sophia, Daria, Lauren, Anna Maria, Martina, Ananya, Andrada, Nikki, Tiana, flying in is Daria, Farah, Mohammed K with 145, Adrian R with 151, but the Swivel goes to Sophie with 152 points. Brilliant work. Grange House of Earth, 4,533 points. Tanashiri, Shema, Ronessa, Vanessa, Jacob, Abdul Kadir, Justino, David, Leland, Alexandra, Afsa, Catalina, Jade, Vladut, Louisa, Asia, Afshin, Sami, Nahara, Nur, Anj, Hussein, Abu Sharia, and flying in is Zara M, Maria A, Renea, Sanuja with 102, and the Swivel goes to Shifa with 129 points. Great work. Grange House of Earth, Grange Community, all of us, record week, 18,286 brilliant points. Classy classes, well, Ennis class, 764 points. You are always consistent. Well done. Beckham class, look at you, 899 points. But the Swivel this week goes to Lister class, breaking the 1,000-point barrier, 1,166 points. Well done, Lister class. We set ourselves a target of 50,000 points. Our running total is 84,439. We smashed it. We might even get to 100,000. This term, we've had Freddie, we've had the reindeer. We are going for the pot plants for Classy class. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's learn with confidence and consideration. Live our lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. And sign up for the quiz, everybody. If you don't know how to do that, speak to your parents and carers and get them to speak to the office. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Sign up for the great Grange online quiz, free on Thursday night. We'll all be on our sofas, on our devices, doing our quiz together. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.